and welcome back to my channel. And as you know, guys, we are going to do a Tory Burch unboxing today. And welcome back, everyone. So let's get started with this unboxing and what I picked up from the Nordstrom store, Tory Burch. So we're going to start with the sunglasses here that I picked up, the Tory Burch sunglasses. And it comes in this orange case here. I believe these are the turtle frame Tory Burch round sunglasses here. And it also comes with a Tory Burch dust bag here with the Tory Burch symbol on it. And these are some really nice Tory Burch sunglasses for the spring and summer of 2021. And I got a good deal on these sunglasses as well. And I think they're really nice. So let's move on to the first box here that we're going to pick up here. And this box, we have the Tory Burch sandals here, striped color block sandals here, and I picked these up. They're really comfortable on my feet, as well as you can see in the picture as well. They're very nice to wear to the beach as well, and where, you know, wherever you want to go. So comment below on these sandals here. These are really nice. So okay, that was a good deal as well. So let's move on to the next unboxing here, which I'm really loving. You know, when I seen these, I was like, I really have to have them. As you can see, I'm styling them as well. They comes with two dust bags here as well. And these are really unique Tory Burch shoes here that I picked up. These are the navy sea ivory pumps here. They're kind of like a crochet type and has some little fridges on the front of the shoe, and the heel is a really nice size as well. I just fell in love with the shoe because it still looks like a loafer type shoe as well. And as you and I picked them up for a really good price. So comment below and let me know what you think about these Tory Burch new loafer trend shoes here. They're blue and white, and I like the fridge on them as well. Comment below on the outfit as well. So this is what I picked up from Tory Burch. I hope you all enjoyed as well, and comment below. And everyone have a wonderful day as well as a wonderful week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.